you guys? It's Kat. Welcome back. I'm currently drinking lemon infused water with strawberries in it, and I'm gonna try on a whole bunch of clothes for y'all. I feel like I have not done a haul video in like forever, and honestly that's just because I have not been going shopping. It wasn't all one trip, but I do have a lot of really cute things that I'm excited to show y'all. And yeah, and a lot of them are actually not work clothes, because I feel like in the past like a year and a half, 2 years, whenever I have gone shopping, 9 times out of 10 I've geared towards purchasing clothes that I could wear to work. And so, you know, obviously I can wear those clothes out and about as well, but they were a little bit more professional looking, nicer looking, so I didn't really have any like cute fun going out like summertime tops. So I got a bunch of those. This is actually one of them. So we'll just start with this because I'm wearing it right now. This shirt I feel like would have been like a perfect work shirt if it was just not so low cut. I mean, if I really wanted to wear it to work, I have a mirror here, which is why I'm looking here. I feel like I could maybe like if I tailored it or something, I don't know, but I don't know that I care to do that because I feel like it's a really cute top to like go out to dinner, like date night top. I actually wore this one night when Tim and I went out to dinner. The issue with this is it like keeps sliding to show my bra. So what I would want to do is get like thin, I don't know, they have like clothing tape or something to kind of keep it on my bra, but yeah, I really like this top. And then the shoes I'm wearing, the jeans I'm wearing are, I'll lower it a little bit. And then these jeans are from J. Crew. They're just the high-waisted white skinny jeans. I will have them linked below. J. Crew Factory, not J. Crew. I believe these were $40 to $50. Okay, top number 2. Not 4, 2. I love this top. I'm so excited about this. Again, I have a mirror here, which is why I'm looking there, but I love the color. I love the straps. I think it's so cute. I would probably wear a strapless bra with this if I was going to wear it out, just so that you don't see the bra straps. And obviously I have to adjust the straps a little bit, but I just think this is so cute. I absolutely love the like little detail up around here, like the little pattern. Oh, I forgot to talk about these. I also got these hoops. These are from Francesca's. I got these when I went with my friend Larissa. I recently did like a Saturday in my life and we went to Francesca's and like shopping and stuff. Have that video linked in the description if you want to see it. But one of the things that I got when we went was these earrings, these like rose gold hoops. I love these. These are so pretty, but that's this shirt. I don't know, I don't have too many red pieces, to be honest. I don't normally wear a lot of red, but I just love this shirt. I think this is so cute. We'll try this outfit on. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here's my second outfit. Oh, I love the magic of editing. Isn't it so cool? Okay, so these are, again, the same jeans. I'll go down in a moment, but first I just want to talk about this top. I'm going to a country concert soon, and I was debating between this top and the red one, and I feel like, I don't know, I'm just torn because I really like the red, but I also, this white is just, I just feel like this is so cute and like such a nice little country top. I don't know, let me know in the comments which shirt you think I should wear to the country concert, the red one that I just showed you or this white one. But both of those are from TJ Maxx. I just think this is so cute. And then there's the little tie here, and then the little tassels are like fun little colors. Oh, this one's missing a blue though. I should probably take the blue off of this one to match, but whatever. But yeah, I think this is such a cute little top. And then these jeans, actually, let's put on a different top before I show you the jeans since we're already adjusted with this angle. Okay, be right back. Oh gosh, I shouldn't jump. There's someone below me. Sorry. This shirt is so not my typical style. Like, this is never something that I would ever think like I would buy, but when I saw this at TJ Maxx, I was like, holy cow, that is so cute. I don't know what it is. I mean, you'll see I have another one. I love the little t-shirts where the neck collar is the same color as the shoulder straps or the arm straps, but I just think this is so cute. I feel like I should be on That 70s Show with Ashton Kutcher and Mila Kunis. I love that they're married now. Is that not the most adorable love story ever? I think it is. I don't know what it is about this shirt that just spoke to me, but you know, I think it's so cute for running to the store, going grocery shopping with some nice blue jeans. I just feel like it's such a versatile, well, not really versatile, it's a pretty casual top, but I just think it's so cute. Maybe I'll be somebody from like the 70s for Halloween and then I'll wear it for that. You can kind of see what I mean when I said that I really like the tops that have the arm and neck, and then this one actually has this part matching too, which I just think is so adorable. But this one also from TJ Maxx, this one's a little more cropped, but I think this is so cute. I actually have 2 more shirts like this that I'll just show you really quick because they're like basic shirts, but we'll show you. Okay, 1, basic black cropped. I wore this in my most recent video, actually. 10 things or 8 things that I always pay more money for right here. Link will be in the description if you wanna go check it out, and I'm wearing this shirt in it. I feel like this is the kind of shirt, like outfit, where I have to like have my hair high and high ponytail, and you just walk in and you're like, next top number 2. Super basic again, white top. I like doing hauls like this because I feel like I can kind of move around more and like, I don't know, this is more personal. Let me know what you think. Like, I feel like I'm just showing my friend the new clothes that I got. I just think a white t-shirt with like basic blue jeans is just such a cute look. Very casual, but like such a classic. I really like it. And then in the fall time, this with like a nice little cargo jacket. I like that. That would be cute. So these are the blue jeans. These are so stinking soft. And oh, I didn't show you the shoes yet. Okay, we're gonna sit for a minute. Okay, so these shoes I actually got from Ann Taylor. I'm gonna put them on so that I can, oh, wrong foot. So that I can show y'all. And these are from Ann Taylor. I really like the cork heel. That's like one of my favorite parts of them. Okay, so next are these shorts. I am obsessed with these. They're from TJ Maxx as well. But I have been really wanting more like just comfy, but also cute shorts that you can wear out, but like also feel like you're put together, but it also feels like you're wearing pajama shorts. You know what I mean? So they're extremely comfortable. They were only like $8. These were really, really inexpensive. And I just think these are really cute. And then this top I'll put on, it doesn't really match with the shorts because 1, it's black, and 2, you know, I feel like you need a solid pattern with these shorts, but I don't know what else to try it on with, so let's just try it on with this. I love doing that, I don't know why. But okay, is this not the cutest little top? I think this is just so adorable. Again, doesn't really match with these shorts, but that's okay. Also, I do know I have to iron these shorts, so sorry, but you know, probably not gonna happen for a long time. If you watch until this part, let me know in the comments, what is something you are excited for this summer? Are you going back to school? Are you going on a fun trip? Are you excited to literally just do nothing and relax all summer? Because that would be nice if I could do that. I can't though, because I work, and the working world, you don't get summers off. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Vlog style, week in my life, 9 to 5, weekend in my life type videos. Click the playlist above me. And then over in that playlist, I have a whole bunch of life after college advice, style tips, videos, that sort of thing. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.